My name's Dave Cullen and I work in schools delivering golf to different areas. I do Buxton, New Mills, Poynton, all the schools around Poynton, Sandbach and Congleton. It's just a game that's totally different to any other games. A lot of kids play football, and tennis, and, cricket and things like that, but it's a moving ball. This is totally different, and you get some kids that try this and suddenly find, wow, hold on, I can do this and I'm no good at the other games. I delivered one session at Sandbach Boys, but the teacher emailed me after and said, you might not realise it, but that was one of the hardest groups you had, and he's never seen them so engrossed and so taken by something, because it's different. Golf can teach life skills, which the Golf Foundation is pushing all the time. Concentration, perseverance, honesty, and these are skills that you will take through into adulthood. One of the highlights I've had out of this is I went into Hayfield Private 4 years ago, and there was a young man there, Archie Qualtrough. He was 7 then, had never ever considered the game of golf. He saw the assembly, he did the curriculum delivery, and then he did the after-school club. He started playing in some of the open competitions, and England Golf spotted him, and they couldn't believe how good he was. He's now 4 years down the line, he's now 11, he's playing off an 11 handicap, he's got a golf scholarship, and he's found that it's the best thing he's ever done.